another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bong, bong, bong. Your body,
Crossing my fingers and praying.
Kilo fait on my tête, chocolate, fine, fine, oh, bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it, yeah, in my day, double dose, kilo fait, why not? Wait for me, and I'm there, wants to be.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, babe. Squeeze me oh so tight, show me that you love me too.
In order to get the lectures, to be honest.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. It's nice to see you all again, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome. Okay, so you guys will not believe I'm on the mainland again this weekend. That's like weekends back to back on the mainland. Actually, my mom came into Lagos, so I had to see her, even though it was for a short period of time. I haven't seen her since like April, and this is July, so any opportunity to see my mama, I'm gonna be there. Count me in. I don't care the distance I have to go, I will see my mom. So yeah, I'll be heading back to the island this morning. I just finished taking a shower. This week, you guys, this week is going to be a very, very calm week by God's grace. I'm just crossing my fingers and praying that it should be a calm week, because I've really been all over the place. Like I just want this week to be calm and chill and like less dramatic, you guys.
Let the fears you have forward, 'cause I've got my eye on you. I've got my eye on you. Say yes to heaven. Say yes to me. Say yes to heaven.
Hi guys, I'm going for an early morning jog. Just a new hobby I want to start. Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, I am done with my jogging. Yeah, I'm going to take a bath now.
My baby, my Valentine. And I need to make my temperature rise. If you leave me, I can die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I want to go chop your.
Hi guys, I'm so exhausted right now. Tell me why I went to cook breakfast, yeah? Okay, let me say lunch, because I started by 12. And this crazy idea came to me that I can cook both lunch and dinner at the same time. That's how I ended up cooking afang soup and coconut rice at once. I've been cooking for the past like 2.5 hours. I'm so exhausted. My legs are shaking. I don't even know who sent me that kind of work, but yeah, I just didn't want to enter the kitchen again for today, like to do any major cooking, just probably warming food or something, because I was with my mom during the weekend, so I couldn't meal prep, so I had to do it today. This black stuff on my head is actually my mom that gave it to me, and I like it so much. It's actually so elastic, and I think this is what they use for frontal wigs. Yeah, I think it should be. It's actually so comfortable to wear, and it's very light as well. So I want to sleep, you guys. I'm so exhausted. I would say I won't try that again, but I'm sure I'm going to be happy about this decision I made later on in the day when I don't have to cook. That's just life. Okay, guys, siesta time. If you're still here, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. That is my quick notes before I go to bed for now. Hi loves, good morning. Today is actually hair day. I just got back from jogging not too long ago. You guys didn't tell me that jogging actually makes the inner thigh to ache seriously. I've used treadmills, I dance, like cardio is not a new thing to me, but jogging has weakened me. Jogging has shown me pepper. Like I literally have to start stretching every time I come back to reduce the pain, at least just minimize it. I loosened my hair yesterday. I have a shoot tomorrow and I need my natural hair, so I'll be washing it. I'll be using this shampoo and this conditioner. Yeah, I look like a mad person. Hi guys, it's almost 7 and reels have been sent to me to learn for the transition and the song for the shoot. But you guys, I don't know how this bad habit of waiting till the night before to do anything has followed me all the way from university. Like all those times they give us assignments and we'll wait till the night before we do the assignments. That's what's catching up with me now, because I've not learned the song, I've not even learned the transition, nothing. And my shoot is tomorrow, like very early in the morning tomorrow.
Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them high volume. Cross them up, all these
No, this other one is still dissolving. If you see calm, it's because it doesn't yet. Can I use the band? No. Or do you want to use it? That's ready. Hi loves, I just got back from my shoot. As you can see there's some makeup on my face. It's actually been a very long day, you guys. See the glue from the hair they installed. I actually woke up pretty early and then I'm literally just coming back, you guys. So I want to clean off the makeup totally. And yeah, it was actually a trad shoot, like bridal traditional kind of shoot, and it was really fun. Like it came out so well. Beauty is paying people. Geez, that band is the tightest thing ever. It is so tight, like my brain couldn't breathe, but everything came out well, so it was worth it. Yeah. And just in case you guys want to know, yes, I do get paid for shooting and for my time and for everything. I get paid as a model actually. Yeah, I'm actually under an agency, Beams Model. So if you want to book me, it's quite affordable actually. Just go to Instagram and ask for Rita. Okay, I'll put the handle on the screen, just in case you want to book me for like a makeup session or something. Not me advertising myself. You guys, please clues on how to get this off. I know oil gets it off, but like it is really gluey. I'm literally boiling water right now because I need a soaking hot bath. I'm not even joking. Like imagine waking up like as early as 4, 5 and then coming back at this time. So yeah, that's the life of a model, people. And is it worth it? Yes, it is. I'll probably show you guys like, let's say, the final look from the shoot probably when it's out and when it has been edited anyway, but it was so beautiful. Like I felt so beautiful, like a beautiful bride literally. So you guys will see it, if not in this video, in the next video, because I'm literally ending this vlog here so that I can start another one tomorrow and post this one. Yeah guys, I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you haven't subscribed till now, I don't know what you're waiting for. You literally watched my whole video, so I need to subscribe. Alright, bye guys.